Some people don't just become part of our lives, they become part of our hearts. Today, we remember a woman who gave love so freely. Our auntie, our second mother, our safe place.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hindi ko may ilang kinisyan mo. Okay na daw, tapon siya. Wish. Thank you. Ayaw bugiti, ayaw bugit. Ibalik ko daw na.
Walay tugaloy akong agibulhian. Walay tugaloy akong magitalignan. Kaya akong mga kanino sa hulyahan. Patay ng pagpating na lungsan sa mga luha. Kanang wala nagiging kinabuhi. Sukat kong magbuti ka na ko ang pinili. Gusto kintukan sa iyong nangandoy na laban. Naman ko'y matapos na lang ang tanan. Patay na akong mga kanino sa hulyahan. Patay ng pagpating na lungsan sa mga luha. Kanang wala nibiging kinabuhi. Sukat kong nagpagkita na ko ang pinili. Pusa pinuntan sa ibong nangandoy na laban. Nangandoy matapos na lang.
We will miss her laughter. We will miss the way she called our names. We will miss the comfort of knowing she was just one call away. If love have kept her here, she would have stayed forever.
The things that I will miss the most kang Auntie Lisa is her laugh, her smile every time mabot na siya sa balay. O ang sweet o lambing na tingog kung tagon mo niya o panggi. Miyawad siya pa sa iyo ang panggi na Auntie Lisa. Salamat kayo sa inyong tabang. Tanang-tabang nito sa mga pamilya. I love you, Auntie.
Ang pinaka di gyud ako malimtan ni Auntie Lisa no kay adjong kindness. Grabe kayo ang iyang pagkabuutan and ambot murag bisag unsay buhaton ako di jud ako masuklian ang iyang kabuutan, and for that thank you gid kayo Ate Lisa. Salamat kayo sa imong life. Yung blessing jud kayo kang nabot ka sa amo ang kinabuhi, and may you continue to flourish in heaven. I love you and we will miss you. Love you.
She taught us that love doesn't need to be loud. It shows in small sacrifices, in thoughtful gestures, in always putting family first. Auntie, you shaped us in ways you may never have realized. Though we cannot see you now, we feel you in every memory, in every family gathering, in every story we tell. In every moment we miss you. You may be gone from our sight, but never from our hearts. We love you, Auntie, always and forever.